Yo, what's up guys? Today I'm back with another video. And today, or I don't know when, sometime this spring, hopefully when I get my phone fixed, I'm gonna start doing some fishing videos because I like to fish. And if you don't like me, you could suck me off. Anyways, that's the mountains over there. That's my neighbor's car. That's my front yard. Anyways, yeah, so I'm gonna, I live in West Virginia. I like to fish because I used to live in Maryland, and no, we never ever went fishing because the area we lived in, there was no ponds, but now I live in beautiful West Virginia, so yeah.